Hello everyone. Today we will practice the word registration. Let's practice together.
Registration.
Online registration. Please complete registration. Registration is open. Check your registration. Registration deadline is tomorrow. I need registration help. Registration forms are ready. Submit your registration form. Registration requires ID. Registration process is simple. Registration takes 5 minutes. Registration helps track attendance. Registration is mandatory here. Registration details are confidential. Registration opens at 9. Registration closes at 5. Registration desk is over there. Registration staff are helpful. Registration confirmation email sent. Registration fee is $20. Registration includes workshop access. Registration improves event planning. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.